Name is Anand Vijay. Today in this video lecture we have focused on to the revision of the top chapter 3 uh, formula and worksheets. Okay, we can focus on to the first section A, fill in the blanks. The first question is R dash is an effective way to display the data in the pictorial form. The option is chart. The chart is the right answer. By using chart we can display the different kinds of data in the pictorial form. The second one, dash is a related set of data value. That is the data series. Data series is the collectively so whatever the data you can represent in the X format and the Y format, it is collectively known as data series. So second one is the data series is the right answer. The third is dash is a key that is used to identify the color patterns or symbols assigned to a data set. That is the legend. Legend is the key, is the kind of option of chart onto the chart that display the different kinds of color patterns or symbols onto the chart. The fourth one are dash chart display data in the form of long rectangular bars. That is the bar. Simply it is called bar. That can be represent the horizontal manner of long rectangular rods. Okay, so option 4 is the bar is the right answer. The next one is the dash is the vertical axis that is used to plot the values. That the option is the value axis. Value axis is the vertical kind of axis that is used to plot the value. So option for the fifth question, fill in the blank. The value axis is the right answer. The next one is the dash. The purpose of the grouping worksheet to enter a common kind of what? That is the data, formulas and the formatting effect. When we group the sheet, we can use the same kind of formula apply onto the different sheet, same kind of color pattern we have also apply onto the different sheet and same kind of data. Whatever the data on first sheet, it can be also copied and pasted automatically onto the second sheet. So grouping is the by using shift key we can combine the more than one sheet together and group form. So right answer of the 6 is data, formula and formatting effects. Now come on to the next true and false topic. The first one, a chart is updated automatically with the changing the data. That is true. Whatever we can change onto the chart, it is automatically reflected off with the change data. So first option is the true. The second, we cannot modify the chart by changing its color and pattern. That is absolutely false. We can modify the chart, whatever the design and color pattern. We can select the different kinds of chart patterns. We can also apply the different kinds of color format. Okay, onto the plotting value. So second option is the wrong. The third x-axis is called horizontal axis. Yes, that is the true. Y-axis is called vertical axis and x-axis is called horizontal axis. So option 3 is correct. The fourth, the chart area contains the actual chart itself and include the data series category and value axis as well. That is also true. By using the actual chart contains the different kinds of component, that is the data series category value axis onto the chart, including chart also. Okay, so option 4 is the correct. Next one is you can change the pattern of the data series by using fill option. That is also true. By using fill option, we can change the whatever the data series pattern that can be displayed onto the chart. So option 5 is correct. The sixth one is all the worksheet cannot be deleted in a workbook. That is false. We can entire worksheet, we can perform the delete operation of the each worksheet. So option 6 is false. Now come on to the MCQ format. Here the MCQ format, we can the first question, which feature is used to determine the input value needed to achieve a specific goal? That is the goal 6 feature. We have also seen the practical scenario of the goal 6. Whatever the value we want to meet a desired value. Okay, so goal 6 option will be used. Option C is correct. The next one is the what are the heading given to the x-axis and y-axis is known as. That is called option B, axis title. By using axis title, we can define the x-axis and y-axis value. Which chart type display the data in the form of circle? That is the pie chart. Option B is correct. Line and bar chart is show the data in the vertical and horizontal rods, but the pie chart show the data in the circle format. So option B is correct. The next one, which function key is used to insert a chart instantly on the worksheet? That is the F11 function key. By using F11 function key, we can instantly insert a new chart design onto the Excel sheet. So option C is correct, F11. The next one, which key is used to group the multiple worksheet? That is the shift key. By using shift key, option A is correct. We can combine the more than one sheet together and form a grouping form of all the sheets. So shift key is the right answer. Option A is correct. The next one, the sixth, the mini chart that fit into a single worksheet cell to provide the visual representation of the data are known as, that is called option C, Sparkline. Sparkline is the option of it is the new option of Excel 2016 that provide a whatever the design of a chart that can be shown in the long manner. It can be also adjusted in a small cell. It can be also displayed in the small cell through the Sparkline option. So option C is correct. So student, I think this video lecture helps you to understand the revision process of the fill in the blanks, true false and the MCQ. So watch again and again this video. Thank you and have a good day.